Rishi Sunak fined for not wearing seatbelt in back of car. Lancashire police said it had issued a 42-year-old man from London with a conditional offer of a fixed penalty. Number 10 said Mr. Sunak fully accepts this was a mistake and has apologized, adding that he would pay the fine. Passengers caught failing to wear a seatbelt when one is available can be fined £100. This can increase to £500 if the case goes to court. The Deputy Prime Minister said Mr. Sunak was someone with the highest standards of integrity who had made a mistake on the seatbelt issue.